4 huge mistakes that'll keep you from making 6 figures in your business. Mistake number 1 is thinking that it will be easier to sell lots of low ticket products. I was doing this and my income was very inconsistent and I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong. It was very frustrating. Felt like I was overworked and really getting burnt out. But I had discovered through a really great mentor that I was working 100 times harder than I should be. So I really had my mind shifted to it's 10 times easier to sell high ticket products or services to people who want them and can afford them rather than sell thousands of low ticket products. The second huge mistake that will prevent you from making 6 figures online is not having a high converting sales funnel. This pre-educates your customer on how your product or service can help them and helps automate the sales process because 95% of people don't buy in the first exposure to your offer. So if you're linking directly to, let's say, a sales page or just chatting with people in Messenger and you don't build an email list, you're missing out on a lot of sales. And once they're on your email list, you can continue to follow up with them with value-based emails. And what will happen is if you consistently follow up with your leads on your email list, it becomes the right time for someone to buy from your email list every single day. The third huge mistake that's preventing you from making a 6-figure income is not having a proven back-end sales process. What I want you to understand is if you want someone to purchase a high-ticket product, the best way is to have a one-on-one phone conversation because everyone has their own needs and wants and objections holding them back from making a purchase, and that's why people need to get on the phone with someone before making a purchase. You can either learn to do this yourself or have a professional phone team do it for you. And if you use a phone team, all you need to do is learn to drive qualified traffic to your sales funnel. If you want to learn how I am leveraging a phone team to close high ticket sales, comment how down below and I'll get back to you. The fourth huge mistake that will keep you from making a 6-figure income is not having the right traffic source. Make sure you're following the right people who will lead you down the right path, because if you're told you can get buyer traffic, those leads are being hammered with similar offers every single day and it's low quality traffic, and that's probably why you're frustrated, spending a lot of money and not making a lot of money. So you want to make sure you have high quality, laser targeted leads from premium traffic sources like YouTube, Instagram, Google, Facebook, if you want to make sales with your product or service. If you want to learn how to get laser targeted free traffic like I do, comment traffic down below and I'll get back to you.